how to find your Instagram account password in your Google Chrome browser. So this should work for both PC and mobile devices. First, you will need to open up your Google Chrome browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account profile. Now you want to click on the three vertical dots here and then go to settings. And from the left side, you want to click on autofill and passwords, and then you want to click on Google Password Manager. And in the search box on the top here, you want to simply type Instagram, and you should find an Instagram entry right here. Just click on it, and this should basically display all your Instagram accounts that you've signed into, as well as their passwords. And if you click on this eye icon right here, this should reveal your password, and this button next to it should copy the password to your clipboard. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.